Hi there everyone, my name is Adrian and I'm from G2G. So today we're going to talk about the Talent 2 controller. This is the Talent 2 controller and one of the most versatile controllers that we have in our range. And we will be covering the basic setup, we'll be covering some of the instructions, we'll be talking about all the features that we have. To begin with, the Talent 2 controller is probably the best controller that you're going to have for setting up to 500 LED modules or units. The Talent 2 controller's box does come with a number of components that would be useful for your installation. These components include the following. You would have an infrared remote control that would control most of the functions on your controller, your Talent 2. Then you would have a smaller box with a memory card, and on some of our versions, the RF and the Wi-Fi, you will have a small antenna that plugs into the back of the controller, and you also have a user guide that goes with the controller itself. Now, important to remember, these SD cards do not come with the programs preloaded. They are available on our website, so you can go to the website, download them onto the SD card, and that plugs right into the back of the controller, and it will run the software that will control your lights. Alternatively, you can get one of our software starter packs, which will include 2 SD cards with the programs preloaded, and your controller will already be set up. That is a useful option for first-time users. Talent 2 controller actually has 2 locations that you can control the controller with. There will be a port on the far left-hand side that says 12-volt AC, and that would be good for a normal plug-in power converter. That's the easiest way to run this controller. The second option that you have is on the left hand side. You'll see there's a port that says DC, 7 to 32 volts DC, and you can use a normal power converter or a normal power supply that will give you 7 to 32 volts and plug it into that port to run this specific controller as far as the power consumption goes. The controller has to be installed in a dry location, indoors, or in a NEMA 4 rated box. You are able to control the Talent 2 Wi-Fi with the Wi-Fi app, and that would be either be on Android or an Apple device. Now you can use a phone or you can use a tablet. That's your choice. What you would want to do, first of all, activate the Wi-Fi on your phone or your tablet, and then you're going to look for the simple Wi-Fi network, and you're going to connect to this. You will receive a notification most likely that you have no internet connection, which is fine. Talent 2 controller does, it creates a hotspot, and your phone or your tablet only connects to the hotspot, so it's not an internet connection. Second, you're going to open the app, and there will be a small wand, like a magic wand at the top right-hand side of the screen. You're going to tap on that, and you'll see a bunch of gray blocks. You're going to pick the first block, you're going to tap on it, and then you're going to enter your network name. That could be any name that you want, data, home, whatever. And then you're going to, in the IP address, type in the following values: 192.168.2.1, and in port you're going to enter 8000. And then you're going to double tap that connection, which will connect your tablet or your phone to the controller. And once that happens, you will see on the main screen of the application, it'll show you the number of programs that would be on the SD card inserted into the controller, and you can change those programs by tapping on the various numbers. Thank you very much for listening to us, and thank you very much for your attention, and we look forward to work with you, and please give our office a call if you need anything else.